Welcome to Sheet Fools. We're creating fun automations to add to your sheets, make them just pure chaos. We have already tilted our text 1 degree every day. We've turned Microsoft Excel into Google Sheets. We've created a bigger font size when it's open. We've scrambled the sheet name, the spreadsheet name. Now, we're not going to do anything destructive here, but we will show more decimal places each day. So we have this sheet like this, decimals. We just have some numbers here, and we're just going to show more decimals, just like clicking this increase decimal places. So it doesn't actually change the data, underlying data, but it'll just show more decimals. Go up to extensions app script. Once here you see a ton of other automations. If you want all of these automations, copy paste them into your Google Drive or copy it to your Google Drive. Go to bettersheets.co/sheetfools. Get the entire Sheet Fools 24 automations in your Google Drive today for free, absolutely free. All right, back to our app script. Go to function, or actually not go to, but create function, increase decimal places. Here, add some curly brackets. We're going to do variable sheet equals spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet, get sheet by name, and we're going to need to specify a specific sheet. Decimals, I think that's the name of our sheet, decimals. Yeah, and we need a range, variable range equals sheet.getRange, and here we're going to just type in the range we want, B column, so B:B in quotes. We need to get the current format, so current format equals range.get number format with a capital F. Now we need to create a little bit of a match. This is just making sure we have the correct kind of decimals, and it's going to be current format dot match. And here we have a little bit of rejects, /0, the other slash, dot, question mark, 0, asterisk, and another slash this way. This is going to get us a count. We're going to know decimal places equals match or match 0 length -2. This -2 is here because we want to delete the first two items. And :0. Variable new format equals 0 dot, in quotes, I'm going to put this in quotes, plus, and now we have a 0, but we do dot repeat. And we do this however many decimal places we have +1. So we're going to increase it. And then we do range dot set number format to the new format. Command S to save. Select our increased decimal places. Let's just check that it's working. Go over to our decimals, see it here, and click run and see we have increased our decimal places. And we can do this any number of times. Let's click run again. And eventually it's going to get really annoying. Again, it's not changing the underlying data. It's just increasing the decimal places. How do we get this to run every day? Go over to triggers on the left side. On the bottom right, click add trigger. We're going to choose which one we're going to run, which we have a lot here. Again, make sure go to bettersheets.co/sheetfools and get all of these automations. Right now, we're going to increase decimal places. We're going to change our event source to time driven. We can change it to every hour. That's going to be a lot. Every day, let's say, or even every week we can do here, once a week. So let's do every day, 8 to 9 a.m., click save, and now this trigger will trigger every single day that exact formula or function. If you want to edit it, go to these triggers here, edit trigger, or delete the trigger, click on the 3 buttons and delete trigger and get rid of it forever if you're like, oh my God, I'm tired of this too. If you're not tired of these automations, go check out more kinds of automations. We just did show more decimal places every day, but there's a lot more awesome videos here, a lot more awesome triggers you can add. Go to bettersheets.co/sheetfools for all of them for free.